So let's see. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing my summer Fabfitfun box. So if you want to know what's in my box, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so here's the box. Let me go grab it because it's huge. All right. There it is. I feel like I can't even fit this in my thumbnail. All right, it is huge, guys. It's one of the biggest boxes I've seen, but it's also one of the prettiest. Like, this box just gives me fun summer vibes, and it just brings out the kid in me. Like, wow. I love this design. I have to say, I feel like it's one of the best designs that Fabfitfun has ever made. So props to you, Fabfitfun. I'm really loving this design. I have to say though, my box came up a little beat up, but hopefully the products aren't. So if you haven't heard of Fabfitfun, this is a seasonal subscription box. You get it once every season, spring, summer, fall, and winter. And you get over $300 worth of products in the box for about $50 per season. I will have the exact pricing in the description box below because they've actually raised their prices. I've recently switched to annual, which means you pay upfront for all the 4 seasons, and basically you get the box sooner, and there's a discount, like a 20% discount per year. So you get the box much cheaper than a seasonal member. Every season, I feel like Fabfitfun has been changing up the rules. But basically you get about 6 to 8 items in the box. If you are an annual member, you get to choose all of the items in the box. If you are a seasonal member, you get to customize up to 4 items. So the other remaining items would be a surprise to you. With that said, let's dig in here. And if we have time, I'll show you my add-ons, which is almost just as much as the box itself. So we will get into that. If not, there will be a part 2 of this Fabfitfun unboxing. All right, so first of all, they have this beautiful magazine. Super pretty, Fabfitfun, Summer Your Way, and summer is here. Love it. Comment down below what you guys are doing this summer. I'm excited for summer. It's such a fun magazine. It talks about all of the products and how you could use some of the products that are for home. Oh, now they put in some recipes in here. That's the magazine. I just wish that they had customizations and prizes in here, but we will figure this out. There's a fun sticker, which I will be giving to my daughter. And then this liquid IV hydration multiplier in guava flavor. Add to 16-ounce water. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. Let's throw that out of the way. For the first customization, it's a big one. This is the rose gold blowout dryer, and I think this is the reason why my box was so long, because of this dryer. So that's what it looks like. It's by Fox Bay, and it's basically $189 blow dryer. I would never buy this for myself, but I had to know what the hype is all about. It looks super bulky, but oh my gosh, how luxe is this? It looks like there's several settings. There's a cold setting, and then there's a 1 and 2 setting. So I'm guessing that these could be like the heat level for it. So let's see. Okay. So huge. Let's see how it feels. Oh, the brush is supposed to do wonders for your hair. You know what I noticed? It didn't give me frizz, and my hair is so frizzy right now. But yeah, usually when I run a brush through my hair, it goes poop. You know, all that static. But this time it looks like there's no static. So I gotta read more about this, but I'm excited excited for this brush. And it's a blow dryer as well. So you can comb your hair while blow drying it. It looks so pretty, like rose gold. This is like the fanciest hair tool I've ever had. So I'm super excited. I think for customization too, I didn't care much for like any of the new products in there. So I went with a throwback. This is the Tula Skincare Cult Classic Purifying Cleanser. If you've been here on my channel for a while now, it is one of my most favorite cleansers of all time. The secret ingredient or the key ingredient in here is the probiotic. So I'm excited about that. It's a clean beauty and very effective. So love this. It doesn't strip you out and it's such a good cleanser. I think this is customization 3. This is the Bump Eraser Body Scrub by First Aid Beauty and the Ingrown Hair Pads with BHA and AHA for underarms or anywhere you have ingrown hair. So I cannot wait to use this. I struggle, guys, with ingrown hair. I definitely need this in my life. So I was so excited that I got this. This body scrub has 10% AHA, so it's very exfoliating. There's 25 pads in here, which I cannot wait to use. And this one is definitely going straight to my shower. I love the First Aid Beauty brand. It's one of the best brands I've tried. And yeah, I'm excited. Yay. Next item is by Kusho, the cuticle oil. This is the largest cuticle oil I've ever seen. I mean, it takes me like 6 months to get through one bottle of cuticle oils. Look at that. And it's the most beautiful packaging. Whoop, whoop. And there is no scent to it. The other one that I'm using actually has a scent. Woo. I love that it can stand sideways like this. See, it has a flat surface right there if you can see it. It just sits decoratively very nicely on your vanity. Like, I love it. From Bobble Bar and Sanctuary Project. So this is a bundle for this customization. See, it looks pretty. So this company is a nonprofit organization, provides meaningful employment and job training to survivors of trafficking, violence, and addiction. So the necklace isn't that long. Ooh, it is so pretty. I hope you guys can see that. It's very hard to put on because the chain or the hook is defective. Like there's something wrong with it. And so I can't really put it on myself. And I can't, it won't go through. Oh, I hope it's gonna be okay. I think it's gonna be okay. It's just, I think I'm gonna need someone to help me put it on. But otherwise, this is such a pretty necklace. And then the other part of the duo is this Bobble Bar. It is a necklace extender. It helps you layer different lengths of necklaces. I think this goes in the back and then you can attach several necklaces along those 3 holes so that you create different lengths. So I'm excited to try this out once I figure out how to use it. But I know this can be useful because now you can mix and match all of your necklaces, right? And then the next customization is another bundle, which is the Mani Moments and the Espa Natural Beauty Inner Calm Exfoliating Body Polish. Now I have 2 exfoliating body polish. I might just put this in a giveaway. It's sealed. I've never tried Espa before. Comment down below if you've tried Espa brand. I love the blue packaging though. And then this is why I got the bundle. This is for like, I think the 6th customization. So there's supposed to be like a DIY manicure kit. I'm really not sure how this is all supposed to come together. Mani in a box, 3 steps. So there's the scrub for your nails. This one is the cream mask. And then this one is a massage butter. You've got even a nail file here. And then this one is the green tea detox, which is again a sugar scrub, a mask, and a massage butter. So There's like plenty in here, enough for several uses, but I wonder how we can like save them for next use. But it's a 3-step. It says 1, 2, and 3. I can't wait to do my manis at home, but this one makes it extra special, so I am excited. It is vegan, and this is by the brand Voesh, New York. The next item in my box is totally unexpected, but I'm super excited for. This is by KO Body Scrubber. Okay, and it's a silicone body scrubber. Not sure how it's supposed to go, but it feels funny. But you're supposed to be able to like scrub all that dead skin cells, you know, on your legs. I love these silicone scrubs. I didn't order this, guys. I don't know what Fabfitfun has been doing, honestly. I know for a fact there was no mystery item in my box, but for some reason this got added in. And when I went back and looked at my items online, this one was all of a sudden there. And I know it wasn't there before shipping. So who knows, but I'm thankful for Fabfitfun for including this. It was a nice surprise. It was a nice mystery item. I will put the total price of my box in retail value, but normally this box is around $54 per season. The Foxy Bay Blowout Dryer alone already paid for my box because that's $189 in value. Granted, I did have to add $10 to be able to get this product, but let's just say $150, and it's still way over what I paid for in this box. I just realized now that a lot of the items in my box are like skincare. Other than the hair dryer and my necklaces, I mean, everything was skincare. I've got the mani, the cuticle oil, I've got my Tula and First Aid Beauty, and then I've got another body scrub, and then I've got this one. So what do you guys think of my box? If I were to set the blow dryer aside, I feel like my box isn't that exciting, to be honest. I didn't feel like it was because Fabfitfun was lacking choices. It was really, there was a lot of things that I did not care for. But then again, even though it's not a lot of like super exciting items, it's a lot of the items that I need. So I guess maybe I'm just on product overload and I have a lot of the things that Fabfitfun was offering, or if they were like home items, they were things that weren't going to be useful in my home. What do you guys think? Comment it down below. Were you excited about any of the products in my box? I'm gonna save the add-ons for another video. So if the video is made, I will link it right here somewhere or in the description box below for sure. I feel like my add-ons are a little bit more exciting. So be on the lookout for part 2 of this Fabfitfun unboxing. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.